Here's a little tip for filling unusual size diameter holes. Now, for you guys that have your radius disc sanders, here's a little trick for you to make a filler dowel up to the right size. I turn the drill on, and basically I can start and stop and get this thing down to the right size. Here we go, here's our little filler dowel. Now these holes were not original holes in this headstock, so we're going to fill those in before Darcy covers the face, and we'll give you a shot of the whole job once Darcy's done and put the original Coronado II decals on there. This is what we ended up with. Yeah, he mixed up the paint, matched the body color like perfectly. I always liked the look actually of the painted headstock on the rare Fender guitars that had it. Decal stands out beautifully against that sort of creamy white. Anyway, so that's where we were going with this thing. This one's done. John's on his way over to pick it up now. Cheers.